Now, let's focus on something we all use: apps. Mobile app security is a critical part of device protection because apps are a common entry point for attackers. Careless app usage can lead to data breaches, malware infections, or unauthorized access. Users should always review app permissions. Does that game really need access to your microphone or location? Limiting permissions to only what's necessary reduces the risk of malicious activity. For developers, secure coding practices are key. Things like encryption, secure authentication, and regular updates to fix vulnerabilities. Businesses can take it a step further by implementing app vetting processes to review apps before they're approved for company devices. MDM solutions can also help by blocking unauthorized apps and ensuring only approved software is installed. Even app stores like Google Play and Apple's App Store have security measures in place, but they aren't foolproof. Users should avoid apps from unknown developers and pay attention to suspicious reviews. Focusing on app security helps protect both personal and corporate data, reducing the risks associated with mobile device usage.